Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make muffins at home easy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, both dry and wet, to streamline the process. Next, preheat your oven to a precise 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for achieving that perfect rise. Finally, prepare your 12-cup muffin tin by lining it or using a good non-stick spray. This simple preparation sets you up for baking success. Now, let's combine our ingredients carefully. In one bowl, whisk together your dry components: flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, gently mix your wet ingredients, including milk, eggs, and a touch of oil. The key here is to combine the wet and dry mixtures just until moistened. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, and we want them light and fluffy. With your batter ready, it's time to fill those muffin cups. Spoon the batter into each cup, aiming for about 2/3 full to allow for a nice dome. Place the tin into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're beautifully golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Enjoy that wonderful aroma. Once baked, let your delicious muffins cool in the tin for just a few minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents them from getting soggy. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. And hey, while you're enjoying your fresh muffins, remember life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.